Hello and welcome, this is Joe. Today we're going to be installing a different shower head. So the current shower head, when you run it, let's see if I can run it here for a second without getting too wet. The water only comes out of like the bottom half. Well, starts off on the top. But as it runs, the water ends up only running out of just that bottom half, that bottom section, the longer that the water runs. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out for a new shower head. And this new shower head brand, this Hopper Pro, is designed specifically for lower pressure water. So if you got in like your normal RV 40 to 50 psi for water pressure, that's what this is designed for. So this is gonna make it feel like you've got more water pressure. It does also have a water saver built into it, which I'll show you here how you can take that out if you aren't interested in that. Otherwise, pretty much you just pop the box up, which I did. It comes with a manual, how you can see their other promotions. Comes with a wrench, so you can take the old one off, put the new one on. It comes with two washers that you can put on with the screen. And then this little washer I just popped out, that's for the water saver. But otherwise, you just take it out. And then if you're leaving the water saver in, that washer, there is already one pre-installed in here. So all you have to do is just unscrew the old one, screw on the new one, and then you are good to go. Otherwise, what I did to take the water saver out is you have to pop out this washer. And so I just use a knife, but something flat that you can get in there under one of these tabs. There's 4 tabs on it. You just gotta get underneath that and pop it, because it grabs onto the threads that are in there, as you can see. They hold it in place so it doesn't just fall out. So once you pop that out, then there's this rubber gasket, or this rubber like O-ring that sits there in the center. And so then same thing, I just use my knife, or you can use a flat blade and get in there and pop that out. And then that's gonna allow more water flow through those holes. Always with that O-ring in there, it's limiting how much water can flow through there. So I mean, it's kind of up to you. You can start off with it on there, because then it'll end up saving water, so you won't use as much and you won't fill your tanks up as fast. Also, just less water usage, and see how it works. If you're not happy, or if you want better or more water pressure, more water flow, you can pop it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it out, because we have the same shower head or a similar one in our other bathroom, and I really like it without it in there. So it gives it a little bit more water pressure, not having that extra O-ring in there. So I just went ahead and popped it out. So then I'm going to go ahead and pop this washer back in, which you basically just push it in without popping that screen out of the rubber gasket. Just work it all the way around there, so it's flat down inside of the hole there. And then I'm going to do is just unscrew the old, or not old, but the other shower head that the RV came with. Twist that off, and then screw this one on, and then there's a wrench. They do also give you a shower cap, and then there's also some Teflon tape that you can put over the threads. In our case though, it is all plastic, so I'm just going to screw it on there, and I'm not going to end up putting any Teflon tape on. It's not necessary, since it's just plastic. So the old shower head is definitely all plastic. It does have the gasket on there, you see in the screen, which has caught some stuff there. But otherwise, yeah, so just threaded, just plastic threads. So you just do want to be careful when you go to screw it on. Depending on your RV, you may have metal, but most of the time it's just plastic. So you get the plastic there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and this is actually metal. So this whole shower head is actually metal, but it's really lightweight. It maybe weighs like 2 pounds. I mean, it's definitely less than 5 pounds, but this is all made out of metal, so it's a little more heavy duty. And then let's see if I could do this one-handed. I guess not. So let's see if I can, bear with me, see if I can get this to screw on. I haven't test fitted this, but it should be the right size. Ideally, it should just screw on. I can get it to line up right. Sorry, I don't have a tripod. Ideally, it should just screw on there for you, the new shower head. And then we end up going with a round one. They don't sell this model in a square. The square one that they have is a giant one. It's bigger than this. I forget what this one, what the size was, but there is a bigger square one, but it only comes in chrome, and it's like way big. This one, let's see if it tells you on here. I think it's a 6-inch. I'll put a link in the description, but I believe it's a 6-inch shower head. But always that just screws on, and then you just turn the water on, make sure it's not leaking out of there, and then swivel the head around a little bit, make sure that it's still not leaking out of anywhere, and then you are good to go. Drop a comment down below if you've tried these shower heads and like them, or if you've got other recommendations of other shower heads to try that give the feel as if it's higher water pressure, even with the lower water pressure. And maybe we'll try it here in the future. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day. God bless.